How far is character relevant and admissible in evidence in civil suits and criminal proceedings? Ans. To what extent is the character, general reputation of a person relevant in civil or criminal proceedings has been made clear by Secs. 52 to 55 in respect of the character of a party. Two distinctions must be drawn, namely between the cases when the character is an issue and is not an issue and when in the cause is civil or criminal. In civil cases, Section 52 lays down the broad general principle that the evidence of a party's character cannot be given for the purpose of showing that it renders the conduct imputed to him as probable or improbable. Thus, a party cannot give evidence of his good character for the purpose of showing that it is improbable that he should be guilty of the conduct imputed to him. The reason is that the court has to try the case on the basis of its facts for the purpose of determining whether the defendant should be liable or not. The court has not to try the character of the parties, and the evidence of character will not only prolong the proceedings but will also unnecessarily prejudice the mind of the judge one way or other. There are some exceptions to the general principle laid in Section 52. 1. Section 55 says in civil cases the fact that the character of any person is such as to affect the amount of damages which he ought to receive is relevant. The evidence of good or bad character of the defendant is irrelevant to damages. But the character of the plaintiff is relevant. In an action for damages, for seduction or rape, evidence of bad character of the plaintiff is allowed as it is likely to affect the damages that the plaintiff ought to receive. 2. Evidence can be given of a party's character when his character is itself a fact is issue. 3. A fact which is otherwise relevant cannot be excluded from evidence only because it incidentally exposes or throws light upon a party's character. Section 52. In criminal cases, Section 53 says that in criminal cases, the fact that the person accused is of a good character is relevant. Normally, we presume that a person of good character and reputation will not generally resort to any criminal act. According to Section 54, evidence may not be received regarding the badness of parties' character in criminal proceedings unless evidence has been given that he has a good character, in which case it becomes relevant. Criminal cases also admit of certain exceptions. There are certain cases in which evidence of a prisoner's bad character can be given. 1. To rebut prior evidence of good character. Section 54. 2. The character is itself a fact and issue. Explanation 1 to Section 54. 3. A previous conviction is relevant as evidence of bad character in criminal cases. Explanation 2 to Section 54.